The Cloud's Watchful Eye. Mastering Amazon CloudWatch. Picture this, you're the captain of a spaceship traveling at warp speed through the vastness of the cloud. Everything seems fine until suddenly, a critical system failure appears. Your dashboard flashes red, alarms blare, and you scramble to figure out what went wrong. Now, imagine if your ship had an advanced AI that monitored every system, detected anomalies before they became disasters, and even fixed problems automatically. That's what Amazon CloudWatch does to your cloud applications. It doesn't just monitor, it predicts, analyzes, and optimizes. Let's explore how CloudWatch keeps your cloud environment running like a well-oiled machine. Number 1. CloudWatch Metrics. The pulse of your system. Metrics are the vital signs of your infrastructure. CloudWatch continuously collects data points like CPU utilization, memory usage, network traffic, and application latency. Think of it like a smartwatch tracking your health. If your heart rate spikes unexpectedly, you get an alert. Similarly, if your application experiences an unusual surge in traffic, CloudWatch metrics notify you, giving you the chance to react before something breaks. Number 2. CloudWatch Logs, the memory of your system. Every event, error, and request in your system leaves a footprint. Logs. But sifting through endless lines of log data is like searching for a needle in a haystack. CloudWatch Logs centralizes this data, making it searchable and insightful. Whether debugging a failed deployment or investigating a security breach, CloudWatch Logs lets you find the exact moment something went wrong. Number 3. CloudWatch Alarms, the early warning system. What if your system could warn you before a failure happens? CloudWatch Alarms acts as your cloud security guard, monitoring key metrics and triggering actions when thresholds are breached. For example, if CPU usage suddenly spikes past 90%, an alarm can notify your engineers or even trigger an automated scaling action to prevent downtime. CloudWatch alarms don't just tell you when things go wrong. They help you stop disasters before they happen. Number 4. CloudWatch Dashboards, the control panel. Data is powerful, but visualization makes it actionable. CloudWatch Dashboards provide real-time insights into your entire system, displaying critical metrics, logs, and alarms in a single view. Instead of manually checking multiple services, you get a bird's-eye view of everything happening in your cloud environment, so you can make decisions faster. Number 5. CloudWatch Events and Automation, turning insights into action. Monitoring is great, but automation is game-changing. CloudWatch events can trigger actions based on system activity. Did an instance crash? CloudWatch can automatically restart it. Is a security threat detected? CloudWatch can notify your security team instantly. Is your application experiencing heavy traffic? CloudWatch can trigger auto-scaling to handle demand. With automation, your system becomes proactive instead of reactive. Number 6. CloudWatch Logs Insights, AI for your data. CloudWatch Logs Insights takes log analysis to the next level. Using powerful querying and machine learning, it helps identify patterns, detected anomalies, and diagnose performance issues. It's like having a data scientist embedded in your monitoring system, constantly looking for ways to improve performance and efficiency. Closing, the future of cloud monitoring. In today's digital world, downtime is expensive, and slow applications drive customers away. Traditional monitoring tools aren't enough anymore. You need a system that watches, learns, and acts in real time. Amazon CloudWatch isn't just a monitoring tool. It's your cloud's watchful guardian, ensuring reliability, security, and peak performance. So I leave you with this question. In the fast-moving world of cloud computing, are you watching your cloud, or is your cloud watching over you?